Okay, I am pulling into LAX. I accidentally ended the last video, but hey, it was 14 minutes long. It's time to upload that. That will be the fourth video of the day. But we're pulling into LAX. Now you guys can kind of see what's going on. Make sure you watch the last video and find out that I got two options, but nothing, no, three options, but nothing worth taking. So now I'm starting my next video at LAX. The queue is full. Oh my goodness, there's a lot of people here. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Lord have mercy. Lord have mercy. Okay, all the way on the right hand side, everybody's illegally parked. Okay. The whole parking lot is a zoo right now, but it's all good. That means everyone knows to come here around 11:30, which means I think the queue is gonna move fast. I will keep you guys posted, and I will work on my thumbnails in the background. We'll be back in a little bit. Ooh, you giving me $13 to Venice? Oh, that's so tempting right now. It was almost $15, and the queue is long. That means somebody canceled on you. What's your rating? 4.87? I can't really pay attention, Uber. I'm driving right now. I haven't even parked my car. Oh, good. You gave me another one. Nice. 30? Yeah, I'll take the 30. Look, Uber. Thank you, Uber. Thank you for rematching me. I didn't even get to park. I didn't even get to work on anything. Come on, give it to me. Give it to me, you little punk. You going the wrong way, lady? Give it to me. Oh, god damn, Uber. I clicked on that little punk. All right, Uber, you tempted me with those two. That $30 one, Uber, was nice. It wasn't even rematching me. Like, think of it. I didn't drop anybody at the airport. This is what you do, huh? You just kind of go crazy a little bit, Mr. Uber algorithm. Oh, third one. Nice. 16? Oh, you know what's going on, Uber? I figured you out right now. I just came from Santa Monica. I don't want to go back to Santa Monica for $16. You should have gave me $16 when I was in Santa Monica to come this way. I know what's happening, Mr. Uber. There's too many passengers coming in. And you're going a little crazy because I just got here. Right? Mr. Algorithm? I just got here. You shouldn't be doing that. So I'm going to reject you. And I'm going to sit here and now I'm going to enjoy watching the algorithm because I think this is a hot spot. I think it's a hot time right now. Because if you're giving me 3 rides and I barely got here, this means it's hot. It's hot, 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 hot. And guess what? My whole audience knows it's hot. Let me turn the camera on. Sorry, guys. The camera was off. Did you guys see that right now? 3 pop-up rides right when I got here and the queue is full, right? It's broken. Algorithm is broken. But this is good news for you. This is good news for me. I think it was a good decision to come here. If I got that $30 ride, it would have been perfect. I don't even know where it was going. Okay. Okay. My fourth video. Oh my God. Stop bothering me, Uber. I already said no to that one. Why are you showing me that one again? Don't you see I'm working in the background, little punk? Hey guys, don't be afraid to punking Uber a little bit. Yeah, queue's moving pretty fast. This is awesome. All right, check this out. We're gonna let the queue do its thing, and I want to show you in the background. I've got my 4th video uploading. Right now, I need to make thumbnails for my other YouTube channel that doesn't have anything. And this video is kind of cool. You probably want to check it out, Big Rock Mesa, because I show some footage of Malibu in there. But unfortunately, I stopped the video as I got to the airport by accident, so I'm not able to record me getting a passenger. But on this video, you will see me grabbing a passenger and who I got next. I'm still at $57, but look how fast the queue is moving down there. See, remember, memorize this. 11 to 1 o'clock is hot, hot, hot at LAX. Hi.
I watch YouTube.
Oh, thank you. I appreciate it. Trying to help everybody.
I know. I just saw the other day and I watch how you doing. I'm start doing the same thing.
Hey, comment. Let me know. I teach people because these app companies. Sorry, 1 second.
Yeah, sure.
These app companies, they don't care about us.
No.
Look, you're old. I'm old. I mean, and it's slave labor, man. This is wrong. This is wrong. This is absolutely wrong. They have all the money. They have money.
They do have it. They
It's
do
the
have it
easiest
because-
money they make.
Because they charge the passengers so high, and you only get like so little.
Yeah.
And we're the one, we do the job, you know.
No.
But the problem is that so many drivers, they don't, and then a lot of drivers are part-time drivers, so they don't.
That's the problem.
and
Yeah.
we cannot
No.
get united, you know.
No.
That's gonna be a big issue because of that problem, you know.
No, we are united. You're talking, I'm talking, I'm teaching everyone on the internet.
Yeah.
So as you learn, I learn, and we stop driving. They have to change. This is slavery. This is wrong. I'm
Yeah, we
pissed.
gotta-
I'm pissed. This is why I'm making the videos every day. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 videos all day.
Yeah.
Yeah. What's your
Yeah.
name?
Fernando.
Fernando. God
Yeah,
bless
nice
you,
to
man.
meet you. You too,
Yeah.
okay?
Comment on the
Yeah,
video
sure.
so I know who you are, and then
Okay.
always say hi. Okay.
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 Sure.
Take care,
man,
Fernando.
take care.
All right, guys. I think I'm becoming a little bit of an influencer. That was Mr. Fernando. He came up to me, he saw my beard, and he saw me waiting here, and he said, "Look, I love your videos." He says, I'm getting chills right now because more and more of you are coming up to me and saying thank you. And I actually don't want to get emotional because this is bullshit. What these companies are doing to us, for a 47-year-old man to be working 7 days a week, 15 hours a day in order to survive, this is bullshit. And if it's hard for me, it's hard for all of you. And this is why I work hard and I make videos like this, because I'm gonna change this industry. And if I don't change it, I'm gonna die trying. This is bullshit. None of us should have to deal with this bullshit. There's enough money out there. There's enough work out there. Passengers don't know. Our family members don't know. None of these people know. The people that have money, they're clueless, right? So we have to watch for ourselves, right? Think of it like this. 80% of us that have built this company, Uber and Lyft, no, 20% of us have built this company, and we do 80% of the rides, right? And what do they pay us, right? I've been up since 6 in the morning. It's 12. I've made $57. Out of that, 30 is already gone in gas. So $30 has gone in my pocket for the last 6 hours, right? Thank God I have a YouTube channel and I can grow and I can talk to you guys and be a voice for you. Look at this bullshit. $15, right? There's over like 300 people waiting here and they want to pay us 15. I bet you they're charging this person at least $50 or $60, right? And this is literally what I do. Hell no. Keep waiting, keep saying no, keep cherry picking, and keep learning. Now I'm gonna pause this because I gotta work in the background. Okay, now I'm gonna upload my 4th video right here on both of my channels. You guys already know that. Hopefully you guys are watching both of my channels. And this one, I'm just gonna change it up a little bit, right? Because each video has to have a slightly different title so I can do A or B testing, right? So I'm gonna delete this. I'm gonna delete the brackets. I'm gonna say 0 trips. Instead of or, I'm gonna say and opportunities. We're gonna make the O capital. And then I'm gonna say the name of the place. Big Rock Mesa in Malibu, right? Just mix it up. And eventually I'll go and fix these. Then I'm gonna paste it here and then go ahead, and I'm teaching you a little bit of content creation just to break up the video. Then I'm gonna put this here, and we're gonna put Mr. Chris, the last person that I took, all his information here. So see, all of this automatically helps the description, right? And then I already have my tags, I have everything already lined up, and all of this stuff changes, right? And I think on this video, I told you guys I was gonna link the video that I was watching about California Insider, which is right here. That's the California Insider one if you want to check it out. Anyways, this is done, and there's no thumbnail on this because I wanted to just go like this, raw. And now I'm going to create the thumbnails, right? But let me pause this. Well, let's just keep an eye on this. Yeah, look how fast the queue is moving. I haven't even been here 15 minutes. I barely talked to the person, and the queue is flying. Let me show you how fast the queue is flying, right? 56, 56, 41, and when I got here, I took a screenshot. Let me show you that screenshot I took. So at 11:36, there were over 300 people here, right? 11:36 in the morning. Now look at the time. The time is 11:48. So in 12 minutes, the queue has gone down by half. This is why right now I'm sitting here patiently working on my YouTube channel, and I hope you guys like this video and comment on it, because this video is going to bring you a lot of value. One, I was crying a little bit, and I don't want I don't want to get emotional again. Then you saw somebody come and thank me, and people are doing that every day. Every day they're thanking me for the videos that I'm creating and the awareness that I'm bringing for our industry. And then look at the biggest thing. I was in Santa Monica hoping to get a ride. I was in Malibu hoping to get a ride, right? But then in my mind it said, no, 11 to 1, it's very busy at LAX, let's go. Now you're seeing how fast the queue is moving. Hopefully I land like a $30 or $40 or $50 ride, and I make my $100 by noon, which I've always told you, I want to be at around $100 by noon or 1 o'clock. And we'll keep going, right? We'll keep learning. But anyways, like, comment, and subscribe. This video is not over. I'm going to do a little bit more work in the background. And as soon as, you know, I get at least 30 bucks, I'll go. Hopefully 30 bucks. In the beginning, I had 30 bucks, or somehow somebody else matched. I'm going to open Canva because some of you are asking me to make videos about Canva. So I'm going to show you how fast I make thumbnails, right? Thursday, if you look right here, the orange one, I'm just going to click right here and I'm going to say make a copy. And by the way, let me know in the comments and I'll give you a link to this file. Hey, actually, let me just do that right now. Let me copy this link. Copy link. All right. I'll give you access to these files for free so you can look at them, rip them apart, and learn how I create stuff, right? Hopefully, I don't have content in there that requires a pro Canva account. Okay, once I copy it, the first thing I do is I go over here and I just change the name, right? Because I have two different businesses, right? So this one's going to be RSX, which basically means it's going to stand for rideshare. rideXserve, my other company, which is right here. It's going to go RXS, right? And then we're going to delete the 911 because that's the different YouTube channel. Then we're going to go to the beginning and get rid of the copy. Okay, we don't need the copy. I think it's gone. Now I'm going to hit enter, and it should have saved this for me. There you go. Now we're going to click on it. And in order for me to make a copy of this, the first thing I have to do is on the bottom right, click on it so I can see all my screenshots. And I'm actually going to delete everything up until 5 because the first 4 are the ones that I use as a template and I tune it. And then the rest I copy and just change the number on it, right? So for example, in this one, let's say we're going to start with this one. We'll make this 1, and then 2 is fine. Then we're going to make this 3. And you'll understand what I'm doing in a second. Hopefully I can keep teaching you, right? First thing I'm going to do is go over here and delete this. Because remember, both channels have to have different thumbnails, right? So I'm literally deleting the grunge that's showing up. So one of my channels, it's clean. One of my channels is a little bit different. There you go. Next, we're going to get the order right, okay? So instead of 2, this is going to say 4, right? Because we want it in order. This is going to say 3. This is how fast we work in Canva. This is going to say 2. And this basically allows every thumbnail to be a little bit different, right? And this one's going to say 1. Okay? Boom. Now I need to change the color in the background. I'm going to click here. I'm going to click on this orange. And I'm going to go down here and find a similar orange color, like this one, right? No, I think I'm going to go a little darker. So in order to go darker, I think we can go here and we just move this to the right. There you go. I got a darker orange. I'm going to close it. Hopefully it works. Boom, it did. Okay. Now that it's there, I'm going to go into the next slide, click here and just get the darker color. And now I'm going to say change all. Now it's changed everything. Okay. Like all the background colors are changed for me. Okay. Now we want to change, we want to change this up a little bit. We don't want it to be exactly like the other one, right? So the first thing I do is on number 1, I'll move this thing down and maybe I'll go like that. I'll go in this one and I'll move it here. And honestly, I'm just winging it, right? And instead of it saying maximum Uber earnings right here, I think what I do is, what is this font? This font, let's see. This font is called Antoine, right? I think I'm going to change this. Yeah, I'm just going to delete this. And over here, I'm going to click on the hashtag and get rid of that. And I'm going to say maximizing space Uber earnings. That's it. Okay. Now I would like to kind of move it so it's a little bit easier to read. We're going to move the Thursday down. And there you go. Now we have a whole new look. And on this one, I'm going to do something else. I'm going to go effects. I'm going to say outline. And instead of gray, we're going to change this to white. Because that just makes it easier to read, right? And maybe, can we increase the font a little bit? There you go. We're going to make the font around 50. All right. And now we're going to move it up. And I think that's good enough for me. All right, that's the look we're going to go for, right? Now, I don't want to do this for every single one. So I'm going to copy this, go here, copy it, go down here, go to the next slide, delete, delete, click. Uh-oh, my turn's coming up. What are you offering me? $17? Remember, it's going to keep lowballing you. Good. I didn't even get a chance to click on it. Go ahead. And good. We're still moving up in the queue. There's 40. Well, you guys can read it down there, right? I'm going to go back to working. Okay. Now, I'm going to click on one of these. Click on the dots and click paste. And then I'm just going to rotate this. Okay. Now, on this one, I'm going to make it a little bit bigger. Just because every time I make a thumbnail, I want it to be slightly different, right? I don't know which thumbnails are going to do good. And on this one, we're going to go and move this down here. And we're going to come and basically move this down here, right? Just slightly making each thumbnail a little bit different than the last one. Maybe the Thursday needs to be moved down. There you go. I got 2 thumbnails done. Now we'll go to the third one. Remember, delete, delete, and then click on one of these guys. Right click, paste. It brings this in, rotate. And now we're going to scale it up, which is font size. We're going to make it a little bit bigger. And that looks good enough to me. All right. Now on this one, we can move this one up like this. To kind of get your attention, put it in the corner. Take this one, we'll move it down below Thursday. Remember, I'm just winging it. I have no idea if this is going to work, if it's not going to work. I think that looks kind of cool. And actually, you can tell me if you don't like it. Hey, we don't like these. No problem. Thursday's going to go up, and the number's going to go up. And then underneath the number is another element, if I can get to it. Come here, little punk. All right. Right about there. Then we're going to move the 3 down. Uh-oh. $25, except yes. And I'll tell you why I'm taking that. Because it's going to put me next to... it's going to put me... Now I can put my face on. It's actually going to put me next to Long Beach. And right when I get there, I'm going to go right to Long Beach. Because I already know Long Beach is the 2nd biggest city in California. God bless you. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And... help me out, help me grow so we can help all of us, right? Us drivers are the only ones that are going to help each other out. The tech companies, the CEOs in Silicon Valley, they don't give a shit about us.